Yes, gang, it's right. That's right. It's Poppy's other workshop. Hey, gang, Poppy here. We're in the computer room. This is a brew review. See that? Blackberry and hibiscus. And as for the reason they call it hemp, like sixth or seventh ingredient, start at the top, the water, a little bit of chicken fat, vegetables, chicken, right? Well, that's the sixth ingredient in the list. Hemp seed oil. In oil painting, they call that Japan dryer. They put it in oil paint to make it dry quicker. Wife bought that for me. Try this, see if you like it. Now, okay, now, very seriously, yes, my espresso maker died. So until I can get a new one, I've been using the wife's old Mr. Coffee style drip maker. I take one of those jelly glasses. When I was a kid, around Christmas time, they'd always be selling them with jelly or cheese spread in them. You pop the lid off, throw it away, and it becomes a juice glass for the morning table, right? Well, one of them and that much into the water well of the Mr. Coffee maker, and 2.5 times as much finely ground coffee as I would use in an espresso maker. Decent cup of coffee. Almost as good as an espresso made cup of coffee. Not completely, but pretty good. I am thinking that June 7th, I may live stream. It would be like noon California time on June 7th. If anyone out there is actually watching me and has an opinion, would you put a comment on this video when you see it starting late May 31st, early June 1st? Let me know what you think. If you don't let me know and you hate the live stream, well, it's your fault for not telling me beforehand not to. Okay, well, and let's get this. Obviously a birthday present. Just like my lift chair, an early birthday present. Anyway, good night from California.